Hello everyone, this is Extra Batteries. Welcome back. We're here to have some more fun and some monkey crazy battles with the balloons. Alrighty then, before we get started, let's get that good spin. Yes, let's see here. Let's see here. Come on. Yahtzee. Okay, I got a dragon battle arena. Sweet. Oh, a ticket for it. Oh, cool. Alrighty then. That's a free pass for that. Alright, let's get on to the game. Salt. I guess. We could kick it old school, or let's play a first owner game of it. Okay, I got a 41% of winning. I'm gonna continue picking my same units. Alright, cool. Let's get this party started. Put a little wizard there. Oh, I think I just made an oof. I don't think is he AFK? Please tell me he's AFK. This make it a lot easier for me to win. Or not. Got the helicopter. Same thing I have. Give him some balloons, bruh. Take my blue. Oh gosh, he's doing the same thing to me. Thanks for being nice. Give me a great big smile saying yes. Now I have the lightning. What's next? Pirate ship. I guess I got that by bonus? I didn't take my purple. Pink balloons. Speedy balloons away! Put another wizard down. Alrighty. This looks a little bad for me. But no biggie. I can do it. My question to this is, who invented this game? Who thought about monkeys shooting balloons? That's my question. That's a great theory, is to think about that. Oh, right. I hope everyone's enjoying their day now. If you're not enjoying, I hope it gets way better than it is now. Don't worry. Keep at it. It gets better eventually. I'd like to thank the people who are watching me. Whoever is watching me. Or am I just alone? The tears. The most little person I got to watching me, I thank you still. Balloons! Attack! Money. I'm now earning 400 per round. I gotta start upgrading my other ones before this gets very serious. Almost there. There you go. Now I gotta wait. Every 6 seconds, your money will go up, depending on how much money you earned. Right now, I'm earning 500 per round. Not per round, per 6 seconds. Here they come. There we go. Fire Wizard on deck. Let's see what he's doing. So we have the helicopter, Fire Wizard, and some palm trees. Just technically to make bananas. Give him more money. That's great and all, but in the long run, I don't think he'll be able to increase his maximum money output. And, oh gosh. Continue giving him some balloons. I need to give him some other ones. So I'm going to continue picking balloons. I'm going to wait for a little bit for the money can go up. What's today anyway? I think today is Sunday. The lazy day. Sunday. Saturday, for my sake. Saturday and sleepiness. Oh! Right. Yesterday was Mother's Day. To everyone's mother, you should have wished them a good Mother's Day because they birthed you and they would probably enjoy all of that. Well, depending on the mother. Almost there. A few more and I could start doing some crazy things. Oh man. This guy's trying to put me through a runner. Almost there. Almost there. Oh no. 1,000. There we go. Now let's start doing my defenses. Fire Wizard away. After getting a few more Fire Wizards, I'm going to get a chopper. And that's really good to deal with balloons. Oh man, we got some spicy fire. Oh gosh, I gotta boost myself or I'm gonna die. Alrighty then. Here we go. One more wizard here. I'm gonna put some tornadoes. Might say whirlwinds. Summon the whirlwind. Whirlwind. There we go. And I might put some of these guys to bring on the... Oh, sweet Jesus, you're such an ass. Oh, God. This is going to be fun. This is going to be delightful. Oh, okay, I see. I see how this works. I see. I freaking see. No! You slowly cry knowing that you lost. We can go for one more game. Oh, we got a freaking commercial. Great. By the way, I'm not sponsored by any of this that's coming up. It's just commercials. Where's the skip button on this? I can't say anything. Oh, God. Nope. Stop. Alright, I'm back. Alrighty, and a new match. Let's try something different this time. I'm gonna keep these two, but instead of the helicopter, I'm going for the boat. Alright then, I'm going to put a monkey down right here. He got the minigun monkey. Let's give him some balloons. This guy wants to put up a fight. Large cannons. Okay, that's I'm at the boost myself because I can't afford to get any of the guys. Activate a wizard or a mage, whatever way you want to call it. How do you like these blooms? Ah, he boosted himself too. He could have handled it. Let me get a big smile. Going for my lightning bolt. There we go. Got a lightning bolt now. It's easier to now kill balloons in a row. Give him some pink balloons of speed and damage. Or not. That's weird. I just saw balloons pop for no reason. Here we go, here we go. Balloons away! Come on, let's do this. Excuse me. Here we go, here we go, here we go, here we go, here we go. Balloons! Combine. Oh, he froze them. Dang it. I did not know I just got their balloon that went through. Or, oh, am I thinking his side? I'm confusing myself sometimes. Alright, I didn't in my last episode I didn't explain what those red things and those blue those two red blimps and blue blimps are probably a great way to take down your enemy. The worst way for you to go out. Red blimps are essentially blue blimps, 5 blue blimps in the red blimp, and blue blimp is technically a bunch of blooms. And there's also a green blimp that you don't want to play with if they send it at you. Green blimps are probably one of the hardest blimps to destroy in the game. Not probably is the hardest to destroy in the game. He's losing a lot. Oh, he boosted himself again. He can't handle it. He's losing so much health. Oh gosh, here we go. Money, 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 money. Get more money, 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 money. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Oh my gosh. Heck no, bro. Sorry, dude. I don't feel like dying. No, 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 no. Are you joking? We're so close. Well, that's another loss. Alright, you guys. Thank you for tuning in to my Fun Monkey Fun. Technically Balloon Wars. Please click that bell and subscribe. And share it, please. Share me to your friends. I'm a lot of fun. I see you all in the next video. Goodbye.